friends, this is Janine Pettit, founder of Girl Camper and Camco Ambassador. I'm at the campground and I'm getting ready to go home now, but I want to walk you through my new ReCurve R3 weight distribution hitches. Last year I upgraded to something a little easier for a solo woman traveler to handle, and I'm going to show you how it's done. The first thing I'm going to do is just hitch up. Okay. One of the things that a weight distribution hitch does is distributes the pin weight. So my trailer is sitting on the hitch here and it has 430 pounds of tongue weight. What a weight distribution hitch does is it pushes some of that 430 pounds to the front and some of it to the back for a more smooth ride. With weight distribution hitches, it's the bar that distributes the weight. My old set installed from underneath, which was difficult for me. My new R3 drops in from the top. Much easier than me trying to get up. I'm going to run around, put them in on the other side, and show you how I attach them. I've now attached my ReCurve bars, but in order for me to easily attach them, I need to take some pressure off the tongue here, and I'm going to do that by raising up the entire thing until these can slide easily in. All right, I have finished raising my tongue jack. This brings my bars up and makes them easier for me to install. I'm going to use this device to click them into place. There is a little hole there, and then it feeds it right in. All right, I have installed my bars now, and I'm going to lower my tongue jack now and finish hitching up. I have raised my tongue jack as far as it'll go, and the last thing I'm going to do is use this Allen wrench to tighten the sway control on this hitch. There are weight distribution hitches, sway control bars, and this is a combination of the two. This is the last step in me getting hitched up. I am all set. I tightened that until I felt resistance, and then I gave it a half a turn more, and that's all I need to make sure I have sway control. The R3 ReCurve has been a game changer for me because it's so easy for me to install. I keep a list of steps so I don't forget anything, and I always put my tools right back in the same place as soon as I am finished using them. This is Girl Camper for Camco. Happy trails.